Solar Homestead. So I still haven't called to see what's up with my lawnmower. I'm sweltering. Tell you what, I haven't had energy all week to do anything, but this is all gonna go away soon. It's beautiful. It's just so dang hot. So I think it's tomorrow night. I wish it was tonight. It's supposed to rain and bring it back down to the 80s. Holy Lord. So, I would like to say, I've been doing something. I've still been watching videos. But, I got another 50-foot hose. Oh, it's so hot the chickens got ice water. So, I'm probably gonna, another reason to get out of the city as fast as possible. So, they deserve that. I just come up with that idea today. It's just so hot. Hot. So, the garden's getting up there. So, the corn was not knee-high by July 1st, but definitely now, this one's up to my belt line anyway. Peppers are coming in here and there. Nice red one. Get some more down here. Oh, I gotta string these tomatoes up. I gotta move that fence a little bit so I can string those up. So yeah, rainbow, I think that's chard. Let me take a peek. Yeah, Swiss chard, rainbow style. There's another one over there. A critter ate one of these two, but it grew back. Cool. So, things are getting up there. I got a couple tomatoes somewhere I saw. It'll be a few days. I think it's up against the garage. I tied that up. That's probably it. So, we're getting there. I just got a 50-foot soaker hose added on. I might have 100-foot now, maybe more. So, these last few tomatoes planted here can now get a little rain, or a little, yeah, rain. So, they can get some moisture down here. I still got to get a little compost to cover that ground. And I want to bring more this way. And I don't care about when it's harvest time. I'm going to keep planting. This is the first garden I ever had outside. Over the winter, I had an indoor garden. So I can learn better how to grow out here other than the rest of you guys on YouTube to share with me how to garden. Let's see what we got here. I haven't seen any praying mantis lately. I don't know if these eggs have hatched or not. Apparently not. That was kind of broken open. That one looks broken open. Or cracked open. I don't know. I don't see a hole that goes down inside. That's the first time I looked in quite a while. We'll cover it back up. We'll see. All in due time. If none of them hatch, then, well, I tried. Oh yeah. There. Cherry tomatoes. They're starting to turn color. Nice sized pepper down here. Peppers over there. I did see something over here earlier. I think it was over here. A squash or something. I don't see it. There it is. Right there. So that's cool. But yeah, all these hours that I'm working during this heat, I'm not going to tell you it's breaking me down, but holy smokes, progress has slowed down a lot. But the tray, I still have a couple things over here of tomatoes that's got to get planted. It's just so hot. It'll be in the ground soon. But I did get a couple more tomato cages today, along with that soaker hose. So these got to go up quick. And I do not use air conditioning unless I'm in the vehicle, because I don't like those electric bills. There's a train coming, folks, so we're going to cut this short. And I did move the fence so that I can move along every day so they can get bugs and what have you. So have a nice sunny day.